Hi, welcome to Educationleaves. In this video, I am going to discuss leadership versus management. Let's start the video. While many of you may think that manager is also a leader, so these two terms mean the same, but actually not. Maybe there is some overlap between the work that managers and leaders do, but these two terms have different meaning, and they should not be used interchangeably. Both imply a unique set of skills, characteristics, and functions that share a few similarities. They also show some strong differences in some circumstances. For example, some people lead without a managerial role, while some managers do not practice leadership. We can define leadership as a process of social influence, which maximizes the efforts of others towards achieving a goal or a specific target. It is the art of motivating a group of people. On the other hand, management is the art of work done through people, with the satisfaction of the public, employer and the employees. I have discussed management in another video, check that video in the description. Leaders set the goal, managers follow it. When it comes to setting and executing a company's vision and aims, leaders and managers have different roles. Most leaders have a clear vision of the position of their organizations in the future. However, they are not the only ones who are responsible for fulfilling the vision. Here, managers play a significant role. Leaders transfer the company's mission, goal, and vision to the entire organization, and managers are responsible for keeping employees aligned with the core company's goals and values. Leaders think ideas, managers think of execution. Leaders are looking for improvement in the organization, while managers emphasize rationality and control. A leader always comes up with new ideas and delivers that to a person with a forward-thinking mindset. Basically, leaders look for answers to why and what, while managers look for answers to when and how. Therefore, the manager's primary responsibility to complete their tasks and reach their goals based on the leader's vision. Managers' job to make their employees feel free so that they can share their voice. Leaders are concerned with ideas relating more high level, while managers relate to people according to the role they play in a decision-making process. Leaders' attention to what should be done, to achieve the best results, and a manager's attention to how to get done. Leaders form the culture, managers support it. When it comes to the organizational culture, the difference between management and leadership is that managers lead their employees to live up to the culture, which was shaped by the leaders. Inspiring leaders have the power to influence employees' behaviors, and communicate the organizational culture company-wide. So, driving employees to live by the company's core value and culture is impossible without the collaboration between management and leadership. Leaders inspire people, managers push them to their success. Leaders have the great power to inspire people, and managers are responsible for their success and positive experience. When leaders are unable to inspire their employees, managers take the responsibility to help their people succeed. If an employee works effectively within his workplace, it is the result of honesty, open and transparent communication between the leader, manager and employees. Leaders peek into the future, managers take action in the present. Leaders are basically more future-focused while managers are more focused on the present moment. Therefore, the manager's most important target is to come through organizational goals by utilizing procedures around budgeting, staffing and organizational structuring, while leaders tend to think ahead and capitalize on future prospects. In a business, it is important to have both great managers and leaders. The organization needs a good leader to achieve its mission, and a good manager to ensure the things are getting done to reach the company's vision. If you want to read in details or download the PDF, go through the link in the description. Like, share the video, and please subscribe to my channel.